Dear traders, today we will find ITC fair price value for the results submitted by March end. The total quantity, that means the total number of shares, is around 1229 crores, and the revenues in the year 19, it is around, this is an annual consolidated results. In the year 19, it is around 52,035 crores, and year 20 it is 53,991 crores. Net profit 12,824 crore, and for year 20 it is 15,584 crore. Total assets in year 19 71,798 crores. Year 20 it is 77,367 crores. With these values and data, we will find out the return on assets. Return on assets, first we need a net profit for the current year, that is 15,584 crores, divided by total consolidated assets of the last year, that is a 717.98. In terms of percentage, it comes to 21.7%. Revenue growth, it is around 3.6%. Already we have explained about the revenue growth, how to calculate. Now the price is, for the price calculation, that is a fair price. It is a 70 total assets, that is 77,367, divided by total shares, that is 1,229 crores. Value is around 62.95, multiplied by percentage of return on assets, divided by, that is our fixed income percentage. So it comes around 157. This is a fair value as on March 30th result. Now after we have results for the first quarter results for year 2020, that is, these are all the values. Revenue for last 8 quarter results and 4 quarter net profit. That's the revenues and the net profit. So according to this, the return on assets comes to, for the latest year, return on assets is 3.31%, and the return on assets, that is for latest quarter, and for last 3 quarters the ROE is around 16.92%. so total ROA for last 4 quarters, it is 20.23%. So now we are going to calculate the fair price. This 62.95 is calculated as per our yearly results, that is on March results. Now there is changes in ROA and revenue growth, but the revenue growth is comparing to our fixed amount, that is a fixed returns, it is very low. Revenue growth is only 3.4, so we are not going to calculate this one. Revenue growth we are using for getting target price, but here target price we cannot get. Here it is only the fair value. 62.95 multiplied by 2.023 divided by 0.87 equal to 146.37. So now the latest fair value of the ITC rupees 146.37. There is no target price or there is no premium because the revenue growth is very low. It is very less, 3.4% only. So we cannot give any premium. Thank you for watching.